Cristiano Ronaldo has etched his name in the annals of European football history as the all-time leading goal scorer in the UEFA European Championship, with an astounding 14 goals to his name. Ronaldo's Euro goals breakdown: Euro 2004, 2 goals; Euro 2008, 3 goals; Euro 2012, 3 goals; Euro 2016, 3 goals. In addition to his Euro tally, Ronaldo also netted 2 goals in a pre-Euro 2024 friendly against Ireland, bringing his total international goals for Portugal to an astonishing 132 goals. Ronaldo's Euro records: the only player to participate in 6 Euros, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024. With 25 appearances, he holds the record for most Euro matches played. These achievements solidify Cristiano Ronaldo's status as a European football icon and an inspiration to aspiring players worldwide.